Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to set Topics notifications to silent on the X app. If you've been getting constant updates about trending discussions or topics but don't want them to disturb you with a sound every single time, this quick setup will help you manage them quietly without missing out on the updates. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the settings. This is where all your apps and notification preferences are stored, so we'll be making the changes directly from here. Next, scroll down until you find Apps, then tap on it. This section shows you a full list of apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through your apps and select X app. Once you've opened its settings, you'll see different options related to storage, permissions, and notifications. What we need to focus on here is the Notifications option, so go ahead and tap on that. Inside the Notifications settings, find and tap on Notification Categories. Categories allow you to control exactly which types of notifications you'd like to hear, mute, or adjust. From here, look for the section labeled Topics and tap on it. This is the category that controls all those topic-related updates. Finally, you'll see a setting where you can choose how these notifications behave. Go ahead and select Silent. By doing this, you'll continue to receive the notifications in your notification panel, but your phone won't make any sound when they arrive. And that's it. You've successfully set your X app's topic notifications to silent. This way, you stay updated without being interrupted by alerts throughout the day. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to take a minute to adjust any other categories under the same settings to customize your experience even more. That way, you're in control of exactly which notifications deserve your attention and which ones can stay quiet in the background. Now you can enjoy using the X app while keeping your phone distraction-free.